Hi, this looks beautiful. Yeah, there's the light. Yeah, you don't want that falling in. Okay. Hi, I'm Carrie from Icheckit Plumbing, Gas and Electrical. We're quite often asked to go out to properties to help people replace their rangehood globes. This is actually pretty simple, and in most cases you can replace the globes yourself. So today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. First, you'll need to go out to your meter to turn off the main power switch. Safety first in all cases. Next, you'll remove the filters by gently pressing in the tabs until the filters gently fall into your hands. Next, unscrew the globe in an anti-clockwise motion and remove it from the holder. Now, reinstall your new globe in a clockwise motion into position. Now you can replace the filter by lining up the back tab into the slots or grooves provided and push the front back into position. Easy. Now all you need to do is go back out to your meter box, turn the power back on, and you're ready for action. And here's a tip. Most globes are available at your local hardware store, including Bunnings, and the better quality ones are also there. We hope you liked our video. I hope you liked it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you feel like sharing it with somebody that, needs to light up their life, that you think will find this video useful or could really do with being able to see what they're cooking. Thanks for watching. And go to your aircon. Oh my God, what is wrong with me?
Don't sweat it. Search Icheckit Perth.
Sorry. You will be